Hey Slayers, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment below. Let's get into it. Hey guys!
Hi.
This is my sister. She's gonna do my makeup and we're gonna have fun or whatever. I'm scared. I'm so scared too.
I feel like we're making a fool of ourselves.
It's okay. I don't even see Keon. I don't have any views yet. Oh, I have somebody. Oh, somebody joined. Hi. Okay. You ready? Do my makeup? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, let me get my jitters out. Oh, okay. Okay. You know, you just spray that.
Really?
Like.
Okay, close your eyes.
Oh God. Come on. Okay. Are you ready? I'm not ready. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay, don't do the forehead again. Just do some other areas.
Chillax.
Okay, I'm just gonna rub it in for you.
Oh, people are joining.
Hi, friends. This is gonna be interesting. So now you have to find my foundation.
This one?
Yeah. And then you have to take a brush, or you want to use a beauty brush. Okay, let's do your thing, girl. Do your thing. Come on. You gotta twist it off.
You both are funny.
Oh my gosh, how's everybody doing? It's Saturday, you know.
Oh God.
Oh, hi, sugar. Are you wanting to be seen too? Oh, hi. You say hi to the people. Say hi.
Bad dog.
Say hi. I'm a multi-poo. Hi. They want to say hi. Do you see the people? Do you see them? Okay. Now. Oh, look at you. You think you work at Mac or something? Putting it on the back of your hand? Oh, my goodness.
I watch makeup videos.
Okay. Oh, God.
I don't want to be rough.
Okay, go ahead. Just go.
Precious.
Do you see that it's going? Hi.
Yes.
I'll hold you. Yeah, just put a little bit. Hi.
Hello? You home?
Bro, did you get the one that's empty or did you get the full one? Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
I was like, there's nothing coming out.
This feels full.
Hi. You are hilarious.
Ain't nobody talking. They just watching us be clowns.
It's okay. Okay, is it coming out? There you go. I think that's the good one, right?
I just don't want to put too much in.
Hi.
Precious.
Okay, there you go. Is it coming out when you put it on the beauty blender?
Yeah.
Like, do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't laugh at me.
I'm not saying anything. I'm just gonna let you do whatever.
I don't do makeup for real.
It's okay. We're just having fun, you know.
I'll make you look like girly. Ain't gonna get mad.
A gorilla. Oh no. Oh my God. I mean, I'm not gonna be the only one seeing me look like a gorilla, so.
It's okay.
Sheesh. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Do it look even to you? Or should you put more on? I'm just gonna let you do you. I don't know. We're just gonna have fun
I don't
with
know
it.
what I'm doing.
It's okay. Okay, so you think you're finished with the foundation? I'm just asking.
I think it looks good, but you got good skin, so.
Okay, so then you need to find my concealer. You can use MAC or you can use the Tarte. It really don't matter.
I'll use the MAC.
Okay. Now, where you gonna put it at?
Under here, right?
Okay.
I think I'm doing this right.
Are we gonna see?
Okay.
Put that on there too. That goes on there. It just came off. That's okay. Because that's my old one, if you didn't know. Okay. Oh my God. Okay.
Don't scare me.
I'm sorry.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You can do that, or you can do the swipe. It doesn't matter.
Do this.
That's good. She looked like trash. I'm just kidding.
You don't look like trash.
Okay.
Hey, that's not nice.
Are you coming up here with us? Come on. Come on.
Let me say what's fun.
I know.
Perfect.
Hi.
She's being really mean right now.
I know. Hi.
We got. I can't see how many people.
Hi. Are you ready? You good? You good?
I just get nervous in front of people, even if they're not looking at me.
It's okay.
I get nervous on FaceTime. I don't know what's wrong. Precious.
She want to be included. Come on.
Okay, and then isn't it like this thing?
Are you coming? Are you gonna come up here too? No? Okay. You don't have to.
Hey, be nice.
Are you coming up here? No?
With this thing?
No, that's highlight. You don't need that yet. Oh.
Make it seem like I know.
Okay, you know what you're doing. Go ahead.
What's next?
So usually after I do foundation and then I do highlight. No, I do concealer. You can do this one. This is my pressed powder from Too Faced. You can, unless you want to use the pad that's in here already. Okay, that's my Judy brush from Crayon Case.
Jesus, this is gorgeous.
Isn't it though?
Where do I put it?
We can put it here.
Okay. Under the eyes.
Yeah. Oh, you don't need that much. Oh, go ahead, just do it.
What?
Just do it. It's gonna look so white. Okay. Is it coming out?
Yeah, it's not white at all. You tricked me.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
I did not.
Don't look at the camera. I can see. Precious.
May I help you, ma'am?
Your brush is gorgeous.
Thank you. I'll get you one.
When I do makeup, that's when I will get one.
I'll get you one. Okay, so what's next?
I really do not know.
Oh my god. Okay.
If I were to do my makeup, I just put some
So-
eyeshadow, some mascara, and some lip gloss.
Okay, well, you've done the foundation, you've done concealer. You want to do eyeshadow?
Setting mist. No, that's what.
Oh, that's after. Yeah.
I'll do eyeshadow.
Okay.
I brought the Morphe palettes.
Okay. And what palette is that? Do you know?
Morphe.
It's on the back. It should be Nature Glow 360 or 350.
Nature Glow 350.
Okay. And I have brushes in
The only
there.
time I've heard of Morphe was the James palette.
On the James Charles?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the one I wanted.
Yes.
This one.
You do you, girl.
Is this right?
You want me to tell you if it's right?
Yes.
Let me see it. This is the detailed crease. So you can use this like up
That's
here.
for the crease.
Yeah, but if you want to use, are you doing the crease first or you want to do the eyelid
I'll
first?
put it for crease.
Okay, go ahead. Do you, girl.
So
It don't matter. Pick
I
any
don't
color.
know if I want to take a risk and go for something like this.
If you want to do it, we're just having fun. It's not even like, you know.
So I'll take a risk.
Okay. And you gotta tap off there. Yeah, not all of it, just a little.
I don't know.
That's good. Jesus. Do like a windshield wiper. Yeah, there you go. Look at you. Does it look pretty yet?
It looks pretty good, actually.
Okay.
I think I may be good at this.
You may be good.
I don't know who I'll get it from because my mama can't really do makeup. She can't. Okay.
Okay.
Not
So
even that much in there for real.
what else you gonna do?
Get a new brush.
Okay. This is
They go like this.
That's
It is?
I think so.
Mm,
Is it?
alright.
Okay.
Get a different color.
Is this one right? Okay, this one is the pointed eye pencil. So
What's that?
you can put it on here if you want. It doesn't matter.
I'd rather get the right brush.
I have a eyeshadow brush in there. You just have to find it.
This one?
Yes.
I'm gonna go for this one, like a darker version.
You can do whatever you want to do. I don't even know. Can you be seen though? Like, I think Sugar's
I
taking
want
the
to be
spotlight.
seen.
Okay.
My phone. This is what I get for having friends.
I'm having so much fun with this already.
I am too.
We need to start we have a YouTube channel, but
we
haven't did anything there, so
I got school.
Yeah, quarantine kind of messed us up, but that's okay.
I started crying yesterday because I wanted to go to Urban Air
Mm.
for forever, and I didn't get to go. My mom reminded me of it. I was like, I never got to go. I really was like pouring tears.
It's okay. We'll get to
it. It really hurt it. Because all the girls went to school to Layla's birthday party, and I was the only one who did not get an invitation. And she was my best friend at the time.
The nerve.
She said, "Oh, I ran out of paper." Well, I don't care. I would take cardboard. As long as I got an invitation.
That's okay. Do you see yourself? Hi. Are you saying hi?
She's confused.
That's you. Say hi.
She don't like her reflection. She bark at us sometimes. I think this is what I'm supposed to do.
We just going with
I've
the flow.
seen people do it. So. You know, that's not that bad.
I trust you.
It looks like autumn for real.
Well,
Like
fall is coming up, so we got to get some colors together.
This is just like some glitter.
Okay.
I'm putting like above your eyelashes.
Okay.
That looks pretty nice. I did not mess you up.
Okay. You said I was gonna look like a gorilla, but
no, that's because like when somebody does me wrong, I do them wrong. Somebody just joined.
Oh, hello. I can't see because I don't have my glasses on, but hello, friend. Okay.
Just hello, friend.
Yeah, hello, friend.
Hello, person.
Okay, so now what palette are you using?
The Watch Me Blush.
Okay, that's from Crayon Case.
Ooh.
I know,
I
right?
like this one.
I know. I'll get you one.
I need to go makeup shopping for real. Just for me to have to play in.
I know.
Jesus. She's thick.
I know.
Let me use sweet tea. This one's pretty.
I'm just here. Whatever you want to do.
I feel like it matches anyway, so.
What?
I started laughing because I started doing your dimples and I was like,
oh.
Like a maniac.
It's okay.
Do you see my cheeks? Like I like this one, but I don't think I'm going to use it for another day.
Okay.
She'll wait for her time to shine.
Okay.
What did I bring to do for you?
It's in there, and you, I think you have highlight in there too.
Yeah, highlight. Oh my god.
That's a Crayon Case brush.
This is cute.
I know.
I love this, like, school seat.
I know. It's Crayon Case.
Jesus. Whoever made those, props to you.
You can take that out if you want.
I will. You don't mind.
So you can see.
Ah.
Those are all my brushes. Well,
Do
not
not
all
want them to
but.
fall out.
And don't forget the fan, because you're going to need the fan after you do my
Okay.
Morphe Mist. Just going to dry it with that. Do you see the...
Gonna use this.
What is that?
The Satan.
Satin?
Satin.
Satan? What? This is Satan.
Satin gloss.
It's satin gloss. And what is the color? Is it Candy Baby?
Yeah, Candy Baby.
Okay.
It's cute.
Hi.
Come here.
I think she wants to be held. It's okay. It's okay.
She's such a baby.
Are you coming back?
Hey, go back to you.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Oh, I thought it said live has ended.
That's what I thought it said too.
I think it did.
It smells so good.
It really does, like cotton candy.
I like.
Good for you. Then we're gonna use some more famous.
Okay. Are you gonna do the highlight first?
Right.
You can put it right here.
Okay. Right above.
It's like it's a stick, so it's. I can feel it's wrong, but that's okay.
I'm gonna try and blend that in.
Okay.
It's gonna be wrong again. I got that pure face of disappointment.
Oh, it's fine.
I'm gonna blend you in. That's messing up my blush. I hate you, highlight.
Oh my god. I think that was my Wet n Wild highlight.
Jesus, it still looks kind of bad.
It's okay.
I'm gonna work on that.
Okay.
Okay. There you go. That looks actually pretty good now. I think I fixed you.
Okay.
Then we're gonna use
shake it up a little
settings.
bit.
Okay.
Mhm.
Jesus.
And it's gonna spray out just like that, but it's gonna be lighter. So just spray it like
I won't be too close, so like this.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. And then take the fan.
She stink.
It does not smell. It smells good.
It smells like old baby wipes. That somebody put in the. That one is nice.
I know. I got this fan at Amazon.
Jesus! I'm so dumb, my friend. I'm dropping all of them.
Okay.
Real quick. Woo! Fuck!
There you go. I have to take a sneak peek. I'm scared.
I'm doing a live stream. Oh, that's alright. I'm not answering that. I ain't got time for you. I'm just gonna answer it anyway. I know. It's not that good. What?
Who's that? Oh.
I'm doing a live stream right now.
How do I look, y'all? Oh my god. It's really not that bad though. It's really not that bad.
We doing a live stream.
It's really not bad. For real.
Live stream.
Hold on. You just gonna play with the brush at this point because there's nothing up there.
So good.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Finished face. Okay. I think it's good. You know.
The highlight needs work.
Ooh.
And your forehead is so
shiny. Oh my god. It's okay. This was fun, you know? This was super fun.
Did not do that bad.
Until next time. Say bye.